Hi, my name is James Eugene, the window expert. Today, I want to show you what EBM window looks like and some of the features in it. Let's see it. Now, this is EBM window, okay? Now, number one thing I want to show you is the color and the texture of the profile. Now, this is, we call it gray granulite. Other profile, most times, they have a glossy kind of texture, very smooth, just like this glass, right? But this one, it has a rough, is a bit rough, and it helps it to absorb any scratch that can come on it. Do you understand? Now, another thing I want to show you is the locking system, which is one of the main things that makes it very, very quality and outstanding. Whereas every other window lock, at this point where the handle is, it will just lock like this. But EBM window has this unique locking system that makes it one of the best. All right, it locks both up and down, ensuring that both the downside of the panel and the upside of the panel seal completely. As you can see it now, you can see it goes up and it comes down. When it locks, it goes up and it comes down. Look at what is helping it to lock. This panel lock here and the up one lock here, right? Now, another thing I want to show you is another unique thing that I like EBM window. Now, you see, this is what we call water outlets. Any water that splashes on this glass possibly goes in. The ones that could not flush out will go in. Instead of entering inside your house, it comes out from this water outlet. There's a hole here linking the place where this glass is inside this profile and outside like this. So it follows here to go. Now, let me show you the locking. As you can see, this is one of the panel. It locks like this and it closes. No, in fact, it has no hole anywhere, both air, both water. Nothing can penetrate this window as it is. So this window, for me, I recommend it to you anywhere you want to do a project like this. This is a standard window. It functions anywhere, even mountain areas, a hot area, even places where you think it's very cold and cold can penetrate your windows and all that. Using EBM is one of the best. Lastly is this rubber you see. This rubber you see now ensures that not even air, nor breeze, nor even rainwater penetrate this window. So this is how it locks. There is a rubber here and there is a rubber here to ensure total seal for the window and nothing else goes in, especially when the window is locked. If you like this the video, please subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell, and you will always see us each time we send a post. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.